Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. And today guys, I'm just gonna show you how I get ready for work, night shift work as a nurse here in the United States of America. So here I am preparing for lunch, technically my lunch for the night shift or my snack. I have here cantaloupe and I just love bringing fruits at work because I don't feel so guilty just eating junk, because most of the time if I don't bring anything healthy, I just eat whatever is in the break room, just like Doritos or other junk foods in there. So I really love bringing healthier options so that I will have a better lunch. Aside from the fruit that I bring, I also bring some snacks that are not that healthy. As you can see here, I've got here the cauliflower stalks that I got from Sam's Club, and I love this one because it just lessens the guilt again because at least it is cauliflower. And then I just put it in a zip bag and bring also some cheese string together with some chocolate so that I can have something to eat when we are already bored at work and we don't have anything to do aside from walking. So there you go, I have here cheese strings, chocolate, and my favorite peaches, the diced peaches also that I got from Sam's Club. So I just put everything here in this insulated bag so that it will be easier for me to bring it to the hospital, and just toss it inside the fridge in the break room. So by the time that my bag is ready, I'll just put it inside the fridge so that the food will stay fresh before I go back to work. This part of this video is sponsored by UN Academy. So for those of you guys who don't know what UN Academy is, they are India's largest edtech platform and they have now gone globally. So wherever you are in the world, you can reach this platform or this website as long as you have your internet connection. And they have now come up with their NCLEX prep course. So those of you guys who are preparing for your NCLEX, you might want to check out this platform because they have more than 100 questions for practice tests. And of course, they also offer 7 mock tests, and they are still continually producing contents for you guys who are preparing for NCLEX. Well, you might ask, how much do you need to pay for this platform? Well, it's for free. Yes, you heard it right. It's for free. You just need your email address to create an account. You don't need to put on your credit card details or debit card details, just pure email address and you will be good. You will be able to access all their contents for free. It's not just partial content, all their content. And this is not a free trial, guys. They are really offering it for free. So if you want to practice more on your test taking skills and to learn more on how you can pass your NCLEX, I will put the link in the description box down below for you to reach the website for free. So once again, thank you so much to UN Academy for sponsoring this part of this video. And now let's proceed to preparing my work bag here.
Cry at all, but why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made of people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss.
So I am now ready for bed, guys, and before I go to bed, I need to set my alarm for me to wake up at around 4 p.m. today because I need to prepare for our dinner or for our supper later on because we already ran out of the prep meals, so I need to cook for supper later on. I'm not gonna take melatonin right now because I'm already kind of used to sleeping with just the windows closed and the curtains closed, because we got a gray curtain and it's a blackout curtain, so it helps a lot during the day wherein we sleep during the day, because both of us here are night shift workers, so we need a good curtain in here. I don't wear my eye mask anymore, but I put on my earphones. It's just because that sometimes I still have trouble sleeping, and it just helps me fall asleep easier. So we're just gonna set 4 p.m. alarm. I usually do 2 alarms just in case. I'm not the kind of person who has a lot of alarms, because for me it's just a waste of time. So if I intend to be awake at around 4 p.m. I will be putting my alarm at 3:55 and then 4, or I'm gonna put it like 4 and then 4:05. It's just 5 minutes apart after my first alarm, and then when I hear my second alarm, I'm still awake. I haven't gone back to sleep yet. Unlike when I put on my 3:30 and then 4, I'll be sleeping deep already. So in that case, I'll be more tired. I like to do my alarms just 5 minutes apart and then just 2 alarms. Then I'll be good, because I really need to save a lot of time for me to sleep. So rather than putting on my alarms at 3, 3:30 and 4, that's already like a 30 minutes loss of time for me to sleep. So I'd rather put my alarm on 3:55 or 4 and 4:05, and that's it. I'll be awake by then.
Melody, just need to find my way. So when I fall behind, just give me one more day.
I always eat supper, guys, before going to work, because you'll never know if you're gonna have a time for a break later on, or it will be a very busy night. So it's better to be prepared than to be hungry later on. So most of the time I do meal prep during our days off, but now we ran out of our prepared meals already. So I'm just gonna cook something very simple today. So I'm just gonna cook beef bacon, and I already have my rice, of course, rice, Asian. And I'm just gonna drink coffee, because coffee is life for night shifts.
But I'll be alright. Come on in. Don't take me out. I'm so damn close to learning how. I need your melody, just need to stay away. But you're obsessed with time, no clue what's at stake. In the final round of a lifelong game, so I step out of bounds. I don't want things to change. Stuck in the night with no end, but I'll be alright. Come on in. Don't take me now. I'm so damn close to learning how. I need your ghost. You want something more. You're waiting for a light to change. Well, I've been here before, and nothing's gonna be the same. enough. How lucky to be by your side, to feel your stare. Sick as a dog, I run my hands through your hair. Oh, my heart will change. I wait for nothing. The intense rearranged, making space where there was none before. She says she's running on time. Darling, aren't we all? I think you could show me something that I won't need to resolve. So twist my words until you can find a way to make them work for you. Your windshield drawings start to fade. Oh, my heart will change. I wait for nothing. The intense rearrange, making space where there was none before.
Thank you so much everyone for watching the vlog, and to be honest, that is like not the easy preparation because most of the time I just wake up 5 or 5:30 because we already have meal prepped. But for this video, unfortunately, we already ran out of the meal prep, so I woke up so early for this video and for me to film everything before I go to work. So thank you so much everyone for watching, and again, if you're preparing for your NCLEX, don't forget to click the link in the description box down below for you to get the free practice test, mock test, and free course plan for your preparation for your NCLEX. And that's it. Thank you so much everyone. I hope you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell button for you to be notified every time that I upload a video on this channel, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!
I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances, baby.